Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a small little haul from Autozone. I picked up a Purple Power Extreme that I've never seen before, and a couple other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up this Purple Power Extreme Power. I've never seen it before. It says it's new, 2 times more power. This I found at Autozone. This stuff is not cheap though at Autozone. This 1 gallon was $12, and this bottle, the smaller spray bottle, was $6. And this bottle right here is 40 ounce or 1.18 liters compared to a regular Purple Power bottle. You can see it's definitely a little bit shorter. It's a little bit smaller too. So this one says 32 fluid ounce. So this is a 40 ounce bottle. I picked the smaller bottle up, that way I have a smaller bottle that has a sprayer that I can pour this into. And I grabbed a couple other items. You guys have seen these 2 items before. These are the switches that I installed in the SR5 for the ram guard lights. I like these switches, they work really well. I've never had any problems with them. So I picked up a couple more for the 97. I filled this bottle, actually, the regular Purple Power, I filled that bottle like 4 or 5 times already. So this is a 1 gallon of the regular Purple Power concentrate. And this is almost empty. They'll probably fill this clear bottle one more time right here. And I got all the mats clean. This is for the 97 limited 4x4, and I'll give you guys just a quick look. I cleaned all the carpets, or I should say the mats. I cleaned all the carpet mats for the 97. This is the 2000 right here. So this one that's lifted right here that I call Beast, that's his name. The other 2 have female names. But so I got the floor mat and the physical carpet in here clean, other than this one spot right here. I'll clean that later. I also cleaned all of the paneling back here. I need to find another one of these and the bolt that goes behind here. And then, you know, I got all the paneling from the back seat forward, including the pillar up here, all clean. This mat is actually still slightly wet. I did put a rubberized dicky mat in here. Just for now. I'm gonna leave these mats, this mat in here, this mat. If I throw anything that's greasy back here, it's gonna go on this mat and not the original one. It took me 2.5, almost 3 hours of cleaning to get all the grease and stuff out of it, because this is a off-roaded lifted rig. It's meant for off-roading. The guy wheeled it all the time that I bought it from. Daniel is a good guy. So I finally got the carpet clean. The carpet is clean. Okay, back door's closed. I did clean, in a sense, I didn't clean, you know, the dirt in the carpet, but I did clean all the sand and everything. I vacuumed all the carpets. I cleaned these mats too. These mats right here are the original mats as well. And then I put just a black runner back here. I need to clean the seats next. And then the Toyota driver side mat is missing, which is not a big deal. You know, I kind of wish it wasn't missing because you can't find these mats anymore. These are the limited edition mats because they have the green trim with the brown and the oak brown, oak beige. And what I mean by oak brown, oak beige is that when you go one direction, it's oak beige. When you go the other direction, it's oak brown. And then these are the Dicky mats that I got from Walmart. I usually install rubberized mats over the original carpet mats. So this mat right here, the Toyota mat, will protect the carpet. And the carpet's pretty good. It's pretty nice in this truck. Other than that, it's got like spills, you know. The buddy of mine that I bought it from that off-roaded this rig a lot, he had kids, and it's got, you know, spills from soda and stuff. You know, I have kids too, so, you know, it doesn't bother me. And then I put this rubberized mat over to protect that mat. I like double protection on everything. I'll eventually redo the seats. You know, the 2000 Limited also has messed up seats. This one is actually really bad. It's got red duct tape in the corner. So the driver's seat is in pretty bad shape. I need to clean the door cards and everything. All this needs to be cleaned. The dash needs to be cleaned. This seat is actually in pretty immaculate condition though, just like in the 2000 Limited 4x4. This seat is actually in the best condition out of all of them. Other than this one little spot right here where the leather is coming off. It's kind of peeling. Not a big deal. There's going to be seat covers on this anyways. It does have all of the original leather covers, so that's another plus. Just giving you guys a quick tour. I am looking for some other emblems though. This truck is supposed to have a couple more emblems on it. It's supposed to have the 4x4 emblem, the four-wheel drive emblem, and it's supposed to have, you know, the 4Runner emblems right here in the center and the Limiteds right here. But it's supposed to have, I think, one other emblem. A 4WD is what it's supposed to be on the back, four-wheel drive. Which it's actually a 4x4 because you can literally switch it into 2x4 if you want. So, not really sure why Toyota put the 4WD emblems on them. Four-wheel drive would mean that normally they're always four-wheel drive. You know, modern vehicles, when it says 4WD, it means that it's four-wheel drive automatically. So if the front end starts slipping, it automatically locks the front end in for you. This panel is broken on the inside. It's definitely broken. You can actually see the inside of the door. So this panel needs to be replaced, but you know, it's not too horrible. This will stick out. This clip is broken too. Which is, you know, not a big deal. I am looking at getting another center console. This console actually has a bunch of broken stuff. So this handle is broken. It's dirty, and this piece is broken off. There you go. So this piece is broken off as well. Supposed to go like that. So this one's missing. I did find one of these whole entire assemblies, the complete assembly, everything, for like 70 bucks. I'm gonna end up probably picking that one up. And then I could just take all these switches out of mine. The other one doesn't have, it has these two switches, this switch here and this switch here for the back window. Doesn't have the security and the knob, but this one does. And this one's really, really dirty. This cover, console cover, actually belongs to me. I actually bought it for the 2000. And I'm also getting another shifter assembly because this one is shot. When I put this one in, when I put it in reverse, it's in neutral. The whole handle just rests in neutral. When I put it in neutral, it rests in drive. So this shifter is assembly is pretty shot. The 4-wheel drive is fine. Dash piece is pretty messed up too. It's falling. Need to get another one of those. But just quick view of what's going on. I'm still waiting for parts for this one. This one's doing fine. This one needs U-joints in the front though, and I just haven't done them yet. Not using the 4-wheel drive right now, so there's no reason to buy the U-joints, to be honest. I'll get them in a couple weeks. But this right here is for Beast. The 2000 Limited that I just walked past that I said needs U-joints, that one I am calling Rose Goddess. Has a rose gold hue to it. All the Desert Dunes paint jobs always do. But my wife's actual first portion of her emails, Rose Goddess. My wife has always gone by that, and it suits my wife. I like it, you know, and she likes it too because I kind of named it after my wife. It's a good truck. It's holding up well. I just wanted to, let you guys know a little updates. There is 3 4Runners sitting in the front. I might be getting a 1999 limited 4x4 as well. I just found that. It's also Desert Dune with the blue metallic silver fender flares. This is for Beast. I'm gonna probably have some more parts showing up for Beast. Beast isn't registered for tags or anything. Beast is actually the license plate on it and the tags and everything are expired. I just purchased it, had it towed it down here. And that was it. I need to get the motor running. It does have an issue with the motor, which is not the motor per se. It's the starter. The starter has the starter is actually surging, so it's shooting out, cranking, and then it's shooting back and then shooting out again, and it keeps bouncing back and forth. So while the truck is cranking, the starter Bendex is actually doing this against the flex plate. It's actually jerking the motor. These switches I bought specifically for the light bars that are on Beast. Beast already has light bar. It has a light bar on the roof. It's got a couple other light bars that I actually took out because they weren't they were wired, but they weren't mounted yet. And I'm gonna switch the switches over because these are non-lighted switches, and I'm trying to find out exactly what the parasitic draw is because it drained a 13.4 volt 1000 cold crank amp battery down to like 10.2 volts within like 24 hours. So it's got some kind of parasitic draw, and I'm doing diagnostics on that. So might be a lot of videos coming up for Beast because it's a project truck. I'm gonna get everything running. I'm gonna end up getting all the interior cleaned. I'm gonna clean all the interior, and I'm gonna clean, replace the parts that need to be replaced in the interior, like the dash panel. The shifter needs to be replaced really badly, and it might be just the shifter bushing might be bad, but it's easier just to unbolt a shifter, pop a new shifter in, and go about your day than it is to take it apart at the moment. And if I take it out, I can install another one from another truck, then I can just fix that one. The one I take out, I can fix it over time. I don't have to be in a hurry to fix it. But Just want to let you guys know, just a couple items I picked up. I've never used this before. It says 2 times more power. I'll give it a try. The 1 gallon is $12.98. This guy was $5.99 or no, I think this was $6.99. The regular white bottle I showed at the beginning, that's like $4 at Walmart for 1 gallon, and $2 for this bottle. You know, so I use Purple Power a lot for cleaning interiors and detailing, especially for other people's vehicles as well as my own. Works great getting out soda and engine oil and trans fluid and diff fluid, and if you leave bottles in your back, it gets out antifreeze and all kinds of other stuff really well. But this is 2 times more potent, so maybe this will have me use less. That cargo mat in the rear, that large rear cargo mat in Beast that I just showed you, it took 2 full bottles, so 2 32-ounce bottles to clean that entire mat because it was soaked in grease. Probably 24 years worth of grease and grime. Finally got it clean where my shampooing machine was spitting out, it was sucking all the water out of the carpet mat, and it was coming out pretty much clear. So that's all I got for you guys. There ain't nothing much else. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!